Why not just do some unboxing in front of you guys. This is exciting. I know what this is. I've ordered this from YesStyle. But this, oh gosh, this is from Sungbun Editor. Deep Collagen Hyalu B5 Hydrating Masks. This is a hydrogel mask infused with intensive collagen serum. So this is from Sungbun Editor. Is that, yeah, Sungbun Editor hydrogel mask. I need to try this. I kept on seeing this all over my social media. This is the Cica and Hyalon. This is a Cica Riedel Shot 100. For rough skin, giving it a smoother appearance. Used at the first step of your daily skincare. It's a VT Riedel Shot. And then I've got an accompanying mask. Accompanying masks. This is a Riedel Shot Balance Mask. And another a Riedel Shot in here, sample. Then, what else? This is from, this is a glutathione vitamin niacinamide concentrated pad, brightening and antioxidant. This is from Numbuzin. It's this one. And then Mary and May Youth and Glowing. This is another mask, but this is a Youth and Glowing mask. It's this one. Ooh, I've got loads of masks. I've got this one. This is from Etude. This is an eyelash serum. Let us try it now. Basically, this is my day one. Let's see whether this eyelash serum works. This is from My Lash from Etude, apparently. On whether they works. And on we will achieve a Bretman Rock kind of eyelashes. Have you seen his eyelashes? It's amazing. Anyway, so day one of using this Etude My Lash serum. These are hydrating lips. Got lipsticks. This is Art Value. Let's try this. Art Value number 4 Clear Orange. Number 4. This is number 5 Watermelon. Number 5 Watermelon. This is number 3. Number 3 Apricot. It's number 3. Number 1. Number 1 Rose Jelly. And number 6. Number 6, this is Peach Tea. Interesting. Nice. Anyway, those are my parcels for today, which are the ones that I'm looking forward trying in all this, aside from the lipstick, because I'm running low on lipstick. This VT Riedel Shot. I'm looking forward to this one, and also all these face masks. Thank you again, and once again, you're in Essa's Corner. Click like and follow and click that notification bell so that you'll get updated on when I do an honest review of these products. See you next time. Bye-bye.